students, welcome to today's session. Today's session is the second session of chapter first, the rise of nationalism in Europe. We are also going to study about Napoleon Code, aristocracy and new middle class, liberal nationalism in Europe, new conservatism, revolutionary, and also will be covered age of revolution. Students, you must be raising a lot of questions. Why study the history of other countries? Because every country's history had affected our country history. So start our first topic, Napoleon Code. In 1804 made a code named Civil Code of 1804. First of all, uniform law that everybody was free from equality. Return of monarchy system, reform administrative, transport and communication is well developed and common national currency. But people were not happy. Reason? People forced to join France army and pay extra taxes, etc. So people are not happy. Next topic, the aristocracy and the new middle class. Aristocracy means rich people. Socially and politically, a landed aristocracy was the dominant class on the continent. The members of this class were united by a common way of life to cut across regional division. They owned estates in the countryside and also town houses. They spoke French for purpose of diplomacy and in high society. Their families were often connected by a ties of marriages. In western parts, Central Europe, the growth of industrial production and trade meant the growth of town. Next topics, liberal nationalism. Liberalism, the word literally come to Latin word liber means free. For the new middle classes, liberalism stood for freedom for the individual and equality of all before the law, politically and economic. So first of all, talk about political liberalism. Government by consent, why? So people wanted the government that should be experiment in liberal democracy. The right to vote and to get elected was granted to property, owning men and women without property, and all women were excluded from political rights. It means no voting rights of men and women without property. In fact, Napoleon also never gave women voting rights and men without property also. And economic liberalism, freedom of market, abolition and taxes. People wanted free taxes. Napoleon administrative system had created confederation of 39 states, each of which had its own currency and custom barriers in each city. Economic growth and exchange, keeping all of that in mind, people of Europe come up wonderful solution. Function performed. First, reduce the number of currency from over 30 to 2. They abolished traffic barriers. Third point, facility railway for economic industries because railway easy to raw materials to be should be the industries. Next topics, a new conservatism after 1815. After 1815, almost going very well. Napoleon was also accepted some places, not so much accepted some places. Because Napoleon was so ambitious, people were no jealous. And who were these people? These people were conservative people. Conservative people who don't like changes, like traditionals. industrial and families values like church, monarchy, etc. released that modern army. So after defeating Napoleon, all of the conservative state they got together huge party organized in Austria and involved Russia, Persia, Britain, Austria, and name of party very fancy. Name of the party Treaty of Vienna. So discuss in the party some points. Talk about Bourbon dynasty was again in power. So these conservative people restore Bourbon dynasty. Second point, France lost of its territories. Third point, German confederation of 39 states set up by Napoleon was left untouched. So I am telling one thing, conservative people were failed Napoleon as well as also with the French. They had released France. French is not at all free of revolution. Next topics, the revolutionary people. Revolutionary fear of pressure led to the formation of secret society. Adjective of secret society, they wanted to freedom, individual rights and nation state also. So one such individual was the Italian revolutionary Giuseppe Mazzini, born in Geneva in 1807. He became a member of secret society of the young man 24 years old. He wanted belief system of Mazzini objectives are God had created nation to be natural units of mankind. Italy could not continue to be work of small states and kingdoms. Third point, unification of Italy would be the basis of liberty. So next class, the age of revolutionaries 1830 to 1848. So this time, thanks, have a nice day.